how to do an Indian call today. Let's get to it. So, welcome back to the channel. And if you're here, it's probably because you want to learn how to make an Indian call. So, let's get to it. So, the first thing is you need to be patient. Okay, you're not going to get it the first time. And even once you learn this skill, you're going to have to fine tune it. It's all about the shape of your hands, how dry they are. So, first things first, make sure our hands are clean because we're going to be putting our mouth on our thumbs. Get them clean. Okay. Put our hands together. Palms. We are going to cross one hand over our knuckles and wrap the other ones in the back. Okay. Once we've done that, you should basically look like you're holding a baby bird or something like that. So you want to kind of curl these fingers until it creates a cup because we don't want any escaped air. And we're going to wrap our fingers around the back. Put our thumbs over the top and we're sealing this entire thing. So there's only one place the air is coming in and out of, and that's the opening right here. Now you'll see the way that your thumb should be laying on this. I like to put my knuckles on top of the knuckles of my finger. Like that. And you can touch them, bring them apart. This is kind of where you have to learn to tune it, I guess, is what you'd call it. So what you want to do here is kind of bring your thumbs together where they're touching. And you want to put your lips, you kind of, if you guys were ever in band class, you know how like to vibrate your tongue, like like that. It's kind of like that, but you're blowing more, if that makes sense. So you want to put your first lip on top of your knuckle and bottom lip on the bottom of your knuckle, okay? And when you blow, the air is actually coming out the bottom hole. So it's creating a current on the inside like this. It's going in, it's going around your hand, and it's coming back out underneath. Okay? Let's try it. That's pretty good. So we're going to hold that. We got a really good sound because we have no escape air. Now we can kind of play with it, right? Now we can adjust our thumbs closer, farther apart, get a higher or lower pitch sound. And if you want to get really creative, you can take the back of your hand and open it to where you're exposing a little bit of air. Then you get something like this. Now the more that you expose that back hand, the larger the hole gets, the more air escapes the, I guess not the lower your call, the least that your call will be able to carry, right? You'll have a shorter call range. If you just slightly open it, you'll be able to blow further because the air is not escaping as fast, right? So we've learned to put it over, put our thumbs like this, right? No open gaps, and then we're creating a small gap, right? And it's kind of, at least with my hands, it's the space between my two knuckles. It's creating two small cavities for air to escape. And all I'm doing is, wrapping my hand back and forth, and it's creating that whoa, 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 like that, right? Okay, so we got that. So the hands are getting a little sweaty, so we're just gonna wipe them off. Okay, if you guys have mastered the call, comment down below. Let me know if this helped you at all. I hope that it did. You know, you guys get really creative with it. You can do the single call, you can do the rapid call, I call it, or you could do kind of like a distance howl, if that makes sense. I kind of have fun out here down the creek sometimes. I come down here. We have a lot of barn owls and stuff like that chill out down here, and occasionally when I hear one, I'll try to talk to it back, you know. We'll sit here for about an hour or two just talking to each other. It's pretty cool. So, see if I can do a distance call for you. See how it called, went out, but then it sounded like it came back in. It wasn't like the rapid call where we just kept releasing it. I think that's probably my favorite call. So guys, I hope you like this video. I hope you learned something. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.